What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Tizzle Beats. Make sure you hit that subscribe. Today I'm going to show you and teach you how I'm going to grow my YouTube channel by becoming a rapper. Recently, most of y'all might not know of him, but the rapper Saint Laz disrespected me and just wanted to be a clown on Facebook. So I had to make these videos. I had to make this diss track. And in the mix, I became a rapper. And I'm going to show y'all how easy this is. Normally, I'm a producer. I take care of artists. I respect you all, and I love you all. My persona, everything I do, it's for my business and my company. So if you can respect that, then I can respect you. I'm for all races. No matter what color your skin is, no matter what your gender is, I respect you all. The way I'm going to do this is if you disrespect me, I'm going to call you out. Anybody that supports the disrespect, I'm going to call you out. This is a new year. 2021 is about to happen. We're not letting the industry take care of us no more because they don't feed us. The industry doesn't do anything for us but take our money. They make us work like slaves and then stand out there and yell with us. But they really don't do nothing but take our money. They treat us wrong. So why do you want to go get signed to a label? Drop down in the comments why you really want to get signed. And I'll give you a better reason if you work with me. If you join my team, GSMG, we will become the new industry. I take care of artists. I will make sure you have thousands of listeners, real people that really listen to your music. I do this because I care about you. But do not disrespect me, or I will come at you. And I'm not a rapper, but I'm becoming one. And this is a whole new job. Find 7 sources of income. Once you find 7 sources of income, your dreams will become a reality. I can guarantee you this. Whether you gotta work 3 different jobs, do your music, make pictures, OnlyFans, whatever you gotta do. There's thousands and thousands of different opportunities out there. Go find the jobs that fit you best. Go find 7 of them. And then support your music, support your dreams, support your hobbies, no matter what it is. This video doesn't just pertain to musical artists. It pertains to all artists for everything. So let's work, let's network. Subscribe to my channel. I will subscribe to yours. Just drop anything in the comments and let me know you subscribed, and I will subscribe to you back. I'm not famous. I don't want to be famous, but I want to be a millionaire. I want that $1 million, and I will get it. 100 of us will get it, and we'll be 100 millionaires. Let's team up, GSMG. We will not stop. Tizzle Beats takes care of everybody. Anything you need, let me know. I can't give you $100 every second. I might not even be able to give you money every minute, but I'll do what I can. My ears and my voice speaks for itself. I will do what I can for you. We are the people. Let's not let them run us no more. We are the people. Thank you. My diss track comes out tomorrow, which would be October 12th. Only on YouTube for the first month. So please support this. Support my new video coming out. It's my first rap diss against the rapper Saint Laz. And if y'all check it out, you'll understand why. Thank you all. Thank you. Hit that subscribe. like this video. Tizzle Beats.